President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi has attended the 41st educational seminar on Martyrs and Veterans Day held by the military under the theme Noble People. El-Sisi praised the martyrs' sacrifices, celebrated Egypt's victory on the 10th of Ramadan, and reaffirmed Egypt's support for Palestinian rights and a two-state solution. The event, attended by top officials and the families of martyrs, was held at the International Conference Center in New Cairo. Egypt has strongly condemned Israel's decision to cut electricity to Gaza, calling it a blatant violation of international humanitarian law and the Fourth Geneva Convention. In a statement, Egypt's foreign ministry rejected Israel's policy of collective punishment, including blocking humanitarian aid, warning it worsens the crisis. Egypt urged the international community to take immediate action and hold Israel accountable for its ongoing violations. Prime Minister Mustafa Madbouli has affirmed Egypt's commitment to providing essential aid to Palestinians in the Gaza Strip. Madbouli met with the IFRC President Kate Forbes, condemning Israeli restrictions on aid to Gaza during Ramadan. He praised Egypt-IFRC cooperation and reaffirmed Egypt's commitment to providing urgent relief and supporting Gaza's reconstruction. Since the ceasefire, Egypt has sent more than 7,000 aid trucks and supplied 70% of the total aid. He also emphasized Egypt's support for the Sudanese refugees. A new batch of 14 injured Palestinians, along with 20 companions, have arrived in Egypt through the Rafah crossing. This is the 39th batch of the patients being transferred to Egyptian hospitals for medical treatment. The total number of Palestinian casualties arriving at the Egyptian hospitals since the evacuation operations began has exceeded 1,500, with 2,100 companions accompanying them. The Minister of Social Solidarity, Maya Morsi, has discussed the Egyptian Red Crescent's role in Gaza since October 2023. This came during her meeting with the President of the International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies, Kate Forbes. Forbes commended Egypt's efforts, particularly in coordinating humanitarian aid. Morsi highlighted Egypt's substantial contributions, particularly through volunteers, and stressed the need for continued international cooperation to address the growing humanitarian crisis in Gaza and Sudan, including medical support for victims. Health Minister Khaled Abdel Ghaffar has discussed with the representative of the United Nations Children's Fund in Egypt, Natalie Mayer, ways to cement cooperation on healthcare, nutrition, and mental health. Both sides explored advancing Egypt's health system and supporting Palestinians in Gaza. They also discussed enhancing cooperation on the Golden 1,000 Days initiative to improve early childhood development and reproductive health.